Welcome back. Today we're emptying the pool using the siphoning technique because it's been winter and it just turned into spring and we want to get in this pool. But as you can see, it's green. So we need to empty it and then fill it back up with fresh water. See you there.
So first you gotta put it through the pool and you gotta make it so it touches the ground like that. Yes. And then go on to the next step.
If you like that video, give it a like and subscribe so that next time we upload, you can know what we do.
Step is to have the hose connected to the tap, and the other end of the hose is in the bottom of the pool, like Lockie did showed before. So you turn the tap on, it fills up the whole hose, and then you just pull the hose off, like off here, like really fastly, and it makes like a chain reaction, and it brings all the water out of the pool without using an electrical pump. So, okay, it's filled up a bit now. So just pull it, turn this off, and if you come over here, all the water is now coming out. And that's how you get water out of a pool. Hey! We have a science experiment that we can do with the pool to see how many litres come out of the pool every minute. We have a 500ml jar and we tip it out every time it gets full. So we have a timer here for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. How are you doing? So 18 500ml that come out of the pool every minute.
So to empty this pool, it's 9 litres per minute, and then it's 540 per hour, and then it's going to take 46 hours to empty this 25,000 litre pool.
Eventually.